They moved into a storefront with 3 tiny rooms in the back. And they had the first door in front. To the right of the store was a barber shop. And to the left was Novick the tailor, a tailor shop. And we lived there. And that's where I started school, around the corner. In fact, I don't remember the Mapes Avenue at all. I was too young. But I remember clearly Bathgate Avenue. In today's world, I think it was as big as this room, practically. And it was it was a walk-through, you know, a kitchen and a bathroom and a bedroom. I don't remember exactly where everyone slept, but it worked out. I can picture the kitchen now and have a few thoughts about that. You know, today we have things so different. In those days, particularly during Depression years, every penny was important. There were no refrigerators, no electric refrigerators. There were ice boxes, and ice would be delivered in these big square blocks with the tongs that had the pointy edge so they could be picked up. And in the wintertime, my mother wanted to save a few pennies, so they put a bucket of water outside the window and brought that back and put it in the icebox to keep things cold. I also found the library. Now here we were, Bathgate Avenue was a little street, and at the end, around the corner left and another left, was Washington Avenue. And on Washington Avenue was the library and the school I went to. But the library was on the same side of the street. If my mother would watch me across Bathgate Avenue, I would walk to the corner and around to the library, and I would spend hours in there. At one point, I started with fairy tales. I think I read every fairy tale on the shelf. And then I just continued. And that was how I spent a lot of my free time.